for cross-border e-commerce leaders, if competitors are outpacing you, the issue may not be budgetary. It could be that your marketing remains in the stone age.
Those who are not digitalized will cease to exist in the business.
The core gap between you and your competitors often lies in one phrase: digital marketing transformation.
Data is going to be the king with the AI world.
We spoke with the CEO of Trinity42. He and his company have witnessed the ups and downs of over 8,000 SMEs going global over the past 16 years.
We've been helping some of our clients of 3 generations.
From the yellow pages era to the AI era, from local business to global trade, this episode can dive into the real choices cross-border entrepreneurs must face.
My name is Christopher Ng. I'm the Group CEO of Trinity42. Throughout these 3 decades, we help the small guys to market themselves or be better at doing what they do, beat the larger guys. With internet marketing and digital marketing,
digital marketing allows SMEs to quickly grab global market share. Some thrive because while others fade away. What separates the winners from the losers?
I think one of the very important aspects many SMEs are not still doing it well or not even start is to collect first-party data. Means to be able to have as much data about your customers, your prospects, your market, and even if can, your competitors, what they are doing, and to be able to not just compete but bring that rich value to the potential clients. You need to know exactly which market you want to go to and why. How do you anchor position yourself? I think that should be done a lot. Then we come up with the strategies and all. We call it shop, where we get to have certain tools that they can analyze the market and put our customers' products and business stage and what are their KPIs or business goals are. Another shift for marketing especially will be, it can't be like one size fit all as much. It'll be very, very niche marketing, which is you have to be very hyper niche targeting to your target audience. We are predicting, not notice, we're predicting there might be a behavioral change on how people search or source for things. Instead of just sourcing for a product, click on it, order it or inquire about it, it will be very conversational. It will be very educative. I want to learn more. So winning micro moments for our clients, we will have to help our clients to win micro moments of their potential clients. Micro moments like, I would say, like I want to go moments, then you are there to take them to the place. I want to do moments, I'm there to teach you how to do it. I'm showing you how to do it. I want to know moments, you are there to educate me. Then only I want to buy moments, you are there to provide.
Future marketing means being there, the instant a customer decides to know, do, or buy. But even if you succeed in attracting them, the complexity, delays, and fees of cross-border payments can erase all of your effort.
Challenge that we are facing is actually the transaction fees, because if we are doing transaction with banks, there's a lot of transaction fees being charged and all. World First, their charges is actually quite minimal, especially when you have the same World First account with both sides, and the seamless of the transactions and the process is very fast. We just like within a second, we can actually get it already. I think the most important thing for ourselves or even our clients, right, we need to have a very secure platform. I believe World First have the security, a very secure platform for the clients and our, whoever is using the platform. With World First coming in, right, we can have a very seamless ecosystem to advise our clients on how they do global trade. This, you can have one solution in one digital roof, which is helping the Malaysian SMEs to only engage with one-stop solutions with us. So this is the most important thing that we can offer.
If you could leave one line or some suggestions for this kind of funder going global, what would it be?
I think not to be fearful, just make sure you partner with the right people, partner with the right companies. What you're selecting is not vendors, selecting is a longer term partner. Look at it in that aspect and utilize data to be able to determine and not just gut feel. Or you need to be very, very clear which market you want to go into and why is it that market you want to go first. So it has to be tactical, well planned out and executed, but you have to partner with the right people for long term. So that would be our advice.
So the core of this conversation with Trinity42 is clear. Digital transformation is essentially about shifting a company's operational logic from being boss appearance-driven to being systematic and data-driven. Use data to define your niche and win customers at every micro moment of their decision-making. This is how we rebuild the future of business with digital logic.
Go global. Join Global Voyage.